Hey everyone, welcome back. New here? Please subscribe to support the channel. Alright, let's get straight to it. To hide your folder. Step 1. Locate the folder you want to hide. It could be on your desktop, in documents, or anywhere else. Once you find it, don't open it. Just right-click on the folder. Step 2. Click on Properties. In Properties, check Hidden, hit Apply, choose Apply to All, then OK. As you can see, our folder is nowhere to be found. To see your hidden folder again, open File Explorer. Click on the View tab at the top, and then select Show Hidden Items. Your hidden folder will appear faded or transparent. To unhide it again, just uncheck Hidden Items using the same right-click procedure. And that's it. You successfully hide and unhide your folder in Windows. Simple and quick. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.